Previously on Mountain Beaches.
This must be some of his favorite drinks.
While Kim gets the clothes washed, I'm going to get the truck washed. It's filthy.
I kind of like cemeteries.
You do. We found it, and yeah.
I got taco salad, but it's huge.
Look at this. Oh, that's kind of cool. You got to do what the wife says.
Not always, but he's learning.
But today we're heading east towards the Tetons. Hey friends, we are dispersed camped at a place called Russell Creek. It is just outside of Irwin, Idaho, right on the Snake River. It is just gorgeous here. The fall colors, I think you might be able to see over my shoulder here up in the mountains. They are spectacular, reds and yellows and greens. Oh, it's just beautiful. So what do you think of the spot?
I think it's great. It's a great overnight or destination. Little noisy, but hey, if you like ATVs and side-by-sides and four-wheel trucks, this is the place for you.
Yeah, there's a lot of that around here. We're here on a Sunday, and there's been a few, not a ton. And then you get some racing up and down the road, and we're close to the road, but hey,
overall,
it's free.
It is free. 14 days.
And if it's free, it's for me. Yeah.
And I am not free. I am an expensive hobby.
Yeah, she is. But yeah, this is a great spot. We'll put the GPS coordinates below. It's called Russell Creek, I think. Right off of the Snake River and just below Palisades Reservoir. So we're just kind of out for a little walk. Like there's quite a few spots in here, and you pretty much get any size rig, I think, into here. And even if you had a group, you'd be all right coming in. Some of the spots can see what I have to put up with. Some of the spots I'm trying to be serious, and she's distracting. Nobody's listening to me. They're watching Kim dance in the background.
Get used to it.
I think I am after, what is it, 43 years?
Well, you know, who knows?
Yep.
We stopped counting.
We're telling them about the campground.
Okay.
It's good. Haven't seen it yet, we have started a new feature on our channel. It's called Kim's Campground Reviews, starring the infamous Kim, of course.
Infamous.
Infamous. And we're going to be doing reviews of every place we stay, whether it's just for a night or longer.
That's news to me. Every place we stay.
Every single place we stay. Walmart.
I might have something to say about that, just in case you're wondering.
Just to let you know what's out there, most of what you're going to find from us is boondocking. And that's going to be a new feature that you're going to see coming up. We're just going to release those as we have them, and probably release those like midweek or something. So that'll just be a bonus video.
Bonus, bonus.
Can we get a comment or a quote from the star of this new show?
If I can survive this, so can you.
Well, it's been a good Sunday. My 49ers won today, evening their record at 1-1, although Nick Bosa out for the year with a ACL tear, so that's kind of disappointing. But who's your team? Put that in the comments. Let us know who your team is. And, you know, if it's not the 49ers, then all I can say is sorry.
He'll probably delete your comment.
And if you're a Kansas City Chiefs fan, man, you better just get out of here now. Just kidding. We love all of you. Guessing you didn't believe us. The Snake River, there it is right behind us. I told you it's only about a half a mile away from our campsite and it is beautiful. Also, the crazy thing, our GPS tried to take us across a road off the top of the dam. The road's closed, so that didn't work. We had to find a spot to turn our trailer around, and there's a bridge right here we should have come across.
Are you letting them know how
Yes.
how bad we are at directions and navigation?
It wasn't our fault. The GPS led us right there, and we made the turn, and then there's a road closed, and then we didn't know what to do.
But we got here.
So let me show you the bridge.
Oh, are we
right behind us?
circling?
That's the bridge that we did come across that is so easy to get there. You're in the shade. I guess it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that if the hike from the campsite to the river is downhill the whole way, then it's going to be uphill on the way back.
Yes,
I am so out of shape. Oh, I'm winded already. Just so out of shape from my surgery, and
we're going to get you back in shape.
well, we better.
We are, but you know, I can't be telling you when to do it, otherwise that's nagging.
And we are the No Nagging channel. You heard it right here. I've been out flying the drone, having some fun, getting some great shots, I think. Let's see. But Kim's been inside the trailer. Let's go see what she might be up to. I think she might be getting dinner ready. What you doing?
Well, I cannot see all these beautiful fall colors and not cook something fallish. So,
Ooh, something yummy?
something yummy. Let's see. We're going to have apple crisp
Oh, wow, yum.
with
Yes.
ice cream. Well, it's got a ways to go yet.
Oh, dang, I was ready for some dessert. Right, I'll be the taste test.
I think it has another half hour or so to go.
So I'm guessing that this is looking like it's about ready. I'm ready.
I'm guessing that too.
Apple crisp with ice
With
cream?
ice cream.
Okay.
So
Count me in.
I got these really big bowls out. I don't know that we need to fill up the big bowls.
Yeah, you don't need to fill yours up, but I don't mind.
Haven't said when yet.
Well, now wait a minute. How come the good ice cream is not going in my bowl?
Because I'm the ice cream connoisseur and you are not. And,
I get
and
the Meadow Gold.
Meadow Gold is good. Come on.
And you get the dryers.
Yes.
What's up with that? That was sneaky.
Because I'm special. Right?
All right. I want to know in the comments below, do I deserve the Dryers ice cream or the Meadow Gold?
I get the dryers. He'll buy any old kind of ice cream. Whatever's cheapest, he'll buy.
That is, oh wow. That's really good.
You like that? Did you have any doubts?
Never.
He's learned to say the right thing at the right time. Let's see.
Yours probably tastes better because you have good ice cream.
He just couldn't help himself. I think it's delicious. Would you like to try my ice cream? See if you...
This is really good.
I think that's it.
I think we're going to call it a night.
I think we're going to call it a night. I have no idea what time it is. It's probably way too late to be eating ice cream, but hey. So make sure you live your dream to discover new adventures.
Because tomorrow is never promised. So, good night, everybody.
Good night.